and welcome to the Scatterable channel, and today let's go over some last minute tech deals you can take advantage of before the holidays. So if you missed out on Black Friday and Cyber Monday, then I'm sorry, but if you were looking for the next best thing for PC gaming hardware deals, whether it's from processor to graphics cards to pre-built PCs to even memory and solid state storage, because I know that's a bit of a challenge right now, then I've gone ahead and compiled some deals in this video that will all be linked in the description down below if you just wanted to check out any of the deals straight away. And I gotta give a shout out to Newegg because they are the only major PC gaming retailer right now that is still offering a lot of these discounts this late into December. So to kick things off, to start off with processors, if you're building a brand new PC, between the two big companies, Intel are the only company that are still offering some good discounts on their CPUs this late into December. So for instance, we have the Intel Core Ultra 9285K, which is a CPU that is most appropriate for people who are not only gamers, but also professionals who are going to do some intensive workloads on their PC and need a CPU with multiple cores and multiple threads. And what I like about these Core Ultra CPUs is that you can do all of that while running more efficient than the competition, resulting in lower temperatures in your PC. So if you're a gamer and a professional, or a gamer and a content creator, the 285K can make some sense. And if that price for you is still steep, do keep in mind that this 285K, as well as many other Intel CPUs, do come with the Intel Holiday Bundle, which includes a free game like Battlefield 6 with your purchase of a CPU. So if you haven't picked up Battlefield 6 or any of these other three games, that comes in for free with the 285K. But again, this deal also applies to the 265K and even the less expensive 245K as well. And my other favorite Intel Core Ultra CPU that is still on sale, the Intel Core Ultra 225F. I actually bought this CPU because it's still at the same price as it was during Black Friday as it is right now in December. And if you were to look at the math, this is probably tied for the best budget gaming CPU under $200, because previously this CPU was well above $200 for its entire lifespan. But now, even in December and on Black Friday and Cyber Monday, this is still at $158. Anyways, if you want to check out other various deals from Intel, then do check out their holiday deals page on newegg.com. So once again, the 285K and any of these Intel deals I've featured so far, you can find linked in the description down below. But now to switch gears and talk about graphics cards, I am happy to report the exact GPU that I used in my $800 gaming PC. This Onyx Lumi Arc B580 is on discount for $240. That's below MSRP for a B580. It makes for a compelling buy. If you wanted, I think, a GPU that can go the distance, that can really extend itself if you want to get a long-term purchase, this B580 is a solid bet. It comes with 12 gigabytes of VRAM, excellent ray tracing performance, and really great entry-level 1440p gaming performance. So if you wanted to jump from 1080p to 1440p straight away while not breaking the bank on a graphics card, the B580 is really the only thing in its class that can do somewhat of a dent at that resolution. Because ain't no way the RTX 5050 for actually $10 more than this is going to be any better of a GPU than this, with less VRAM and less performance. Now let's talk about memory, because right now DDR5 RAM prices are ridiculous. And if we were to check right now on Newegg, they are well above $300 for a 32 gigabyte kit of RAM, but you can actually find some for below $300. And let me tell you how you can do that. You can do so with Newegg's Combo Builder tool. So this is going to be most applicable for people who haven't built a PC and they need to get a CPU, motherboard, RAM, storage, so on and so forth. But let's go ahead and pick up a CPU like the 265K that I was just showing off earlier. And if I needed to bundle some memory with it, what I like to do is I like to scroll down so we find a cheaper kit of memory, like this Corsair Vengeance model DDR5 RAM kit for $395 with a $100 off combo code, plus another $10 off code that comes with the RAM kit. I'll go ahead and select this, and now we are getting $110 off this memory, which is $395, which brings it to $285. And that is a full, what, like $65 cheaper than the cheapest 32GB RAM kit on Newegg, or thereabouts if you were to compare similar performance RAM kits. I think that's a smart way to get a good discount on 32GB of memory if you needed something right now. But again, you have to bundle it with either a CPU, motherboard, so on and so forth. But if you haven't built a PC yet, this combo tool can save you a bit of money even this late into December. On a more positive note though, power supplies like the Montech Century 2 are still at their same Black Friday pricing into December. I really like the Century 2 because it's an A-tier unit that uses innards from a Seasonic power supply, and Seasonic is one of the best brands out there for making power supplies, and most of the time Montech actually undercut Seasonic in terms of the cost of these versus their units despite using the same hardware. So these are really inexpensive right now. And I'm a really big fan of the 1000 watt here for $100 and the 1200 watt unit for $120. Usually 1000 watt power supplies start at $130 and 1200 units, they start at like $160. So seeing these for $40 to $30 off where they usually be is something really attractive. And I used this power supply in my $1,600 build I made back in the summer, and it worked out just fine. And speaking of combos, you can also bundle this power supply with various other Montech PC cases if you also need to get a new PC case for your next build, or if you just wanted to update your current PC case. But now let's talk about pre-builds, because they are kind of falling back into the picture of PC gaming because these offer RAM while not, at the moment, severely marking up their prices. For instance, we have this pre-built gaming PC found on Newegg's website for $780 with an i5-14400F, 16 gigabytes of DDR5 memory, and an RTX 5060 8GB. Now, I'm not the biggest fan of that graphics card. However, keep in mind, this at $780 is better than what you could build right now with current memory prices. That 16 gigabyte kit of memory most likely starts at $180 on the DIY market. And if you were to build this exact PC, part by part, it's actually gonna be more expensive just because of memory prices right now in the market. So this was probably priced before RAM prices really shot up. So I definitely considered this, but I think an even better deal would be this exact same pre-built, but with 32 gigabytes of DDR5 memory for only $50 more. Still the same i5 processor, still the same RTX 5060, but with double the memory. This is more worth it. If you had to get some sort of PC before Christmas or the holiday season and you had under $1,000, this would be it. I looked at other pre-builts on Newegg's website and none of them came close in terms of price and performance versus this exact one with 32 gigabytes of RAM. And just because it's the end of the video, I gotta throw in a monitor deal. This right here might just be the most inexpensive 27-inch 1440p IPS 180 Hz monitor on Newegg for $137. You know, RAM prices and memory prices may be at all-time highs, but man, monitor prices are at probably all-time low prices. You can get something really good for a very inexpensive price. And there you have it. Those are my last-minute tech deals before the holiday season. And once again, all of them are going to be linked in the description down below if you wanted to splurge on any of them. And with all of that said, thank you so much for watching. And this is the Scattervault channel, signing out.